Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Jha. I am Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department from School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today we will discuss introduction of welding and also cover history of welding. So welding technology widely used in manufacturing industry. It observed that near 25% expenditure is spent on the welding process. Welding has significant application in various manufacturing sectors like automobile industry, aerospace industry, shipbuilding industry, real estate, etc. It plays very important and crucial role service life of structure. That's why basic fundamental welding technology highly essential. Introduction of welding. Welding in general, it is a process of joining two material plates and make an integrated one. Material can be same thickness, can be different thickness, can be same chemical composition, can be different chemical composition. It doesn't means can be easily joined by the welding process. Material can be metal or their ally. In welding, heat is supplied either by electric arc, gas, electric current, or by some other means. Mean to say, for electric arc welding, electron are more responsible to produce the heat. In gas welding, composition of gas are responsible to produce the heat. The most essential requirement is heat, but in some process, pressure is also implied. Mean to say, heat and pressure both are play important role for the welding process. For solid state welding, pressure play very important role. For fusion welding, heat play very important role. History of welding. In Middle Age, welding can trace its historic development back to ancient time. The earliest example come from the Bronze Age. Small gold circular boxes were made by the pressure welding lap joined together. It estimated that these boxes were made more than 2000 years ago. But in Iron Age, the Egyptian and people in Eastern Mediterranean area learned to weld pieces of iron together. Many tools were found that were made approximate 1000 BC. During the Middle Age, the art of blacksmith was developed, and many items of iron were produced that were welded by hammering. It was not until 19th century that welding, as we know is today, was invented. Late 19th century, engineer scientist that is Jules Chatelain applied advance of electricity to heat and join metal. Earlier 20th century, period to First World War, welding was not trusted as a method to join two metal and due to the crack issue. What seemed there are some metallurgical and physical characteristic changes in the welding zone by the use of poor welding process. 19th century, in this century major welding are made. 1830, Englishman Edmund Davy discovered acetylene. Nowadays we are using oxyacetylene welding for the various process. 1890, during the 1890, one of the most popular welding method was invented, that is the carbon arc welding. The beauty of carbon arc welding, carbon used as an electrode to increase the carbon content in this metal. 20th century, year 1900, coated metal electrode was first introduced, and also number of welding processes were developed during period, that is seam welding, spot welding, flash butt welding, and projection welding. Means coated metal electrode increase the arc stability and also increase heat concentration for a given particular point. And seam welding, spot welding, flash butt welding, and projection welding, that are types of the resistance welding. And in resistance welding, pressure play very important role. In 1990, after the World War I, American Welding Society was established. The aim of society to advancement of welding process. 1930, the New York Navy Yard developed the stud welding. And nowadays, stud welding are more used for the construction and shipbuilding industry. 1940, GTAW was another significant milestone in history of welding. GTA stand for G stand for gas tungsten arc welding, and beauty of this arc welding using of the inert gases. 1960, electroslag welding and plasma arc welding were invented. In plasma arc welding, we can achieve maximum temperature near 40,000 degrees centigrade temperature by ionization of gas. This ionization of gas is known as the plasma gases. In 1990, friction welding invented. Friction welding is the solid state welding, and we can generate by the rotating of object, and one object are rotating and second object are moving, and by the friction heat are generated in the plastic stage, and by the large amount of pressure we can weld metal. Nowadays advanced welding technology used, such as laser beam welding, electron beam welding, for the good quality. Thank you very much. You can also visit our college www.smaslakno.com, and also follow Facebook and Twitter page. Thank you very much.